Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Compass Real Estate up in Big Bear Lake. I was seeing a lot of people, hearing a lot of people making comments about their huge Southwest gas bill. So people's gas bills this month are like $500, $600, $700. So lots of complaining on that. What I did was I looked into what Southwest Gas has called the Equal Payment Plan. So what they do is they take the last 12 months of your gas bill and they divide it by 12. So those months in the summertime when your bill is like $25, $50, what they're doing is they're spreading your wintertime months all across the whole year. So when I went, my gas bill was $562. I went to the website, just kind of looked into it to see if it was an attractive thing to do. And what they offered me was you can just pay $200 a month, and then that will be your gas bill for the whole year. They will go through every 3, 6, 9, and 12 months and readjust it just in case there's any major changes to it. And then after a year, they said that it should all even out too. So whether you're doing it this way or you're doing it in the big chunks and the low chunks, just might want to take a look. So talk to you soon. Bye.